dying streamer. What? That's what? Go on, man. Go fucking watch somebody else.
Dude, I'm a dying streamer
Who
every
are you
day.
gonna watch?
I've lost
Summit?
350k viewers, dude.
You're gonna watch Summit? You're gonna watch Summit? See? I can't even.
Shut the fuck up. Stop this shit.
Go over there, he's got some good old quality. Okay, don't make me laugh.